Hi everyone, my name is Aporide Adenike. You are highly welcome to my channel. In this tutorial today, I would like to teach you how to cut and sew this beautiful exaggerated sleeve showing on the screen. This is the Ankara fabric I'm using for the tutorial today. It's one of the African print, and I'm going to use this paper gum stay to make it stronger. You can make use of any fabric of your choice. Just make sure you add collar stay or peplum stay if you are making use of soft fabric. Now let's get into it. So I have full length of Ankara fabric here, which is 46 inches in length from this edge to this edge. That will be the width of my sleeve. And I have 13 inches folded into two here, which will be the length of my sleeve. 13 inches plus half inch seam allowance folded into two, as you can see. So this is the right side of the fabric and this is the wrong side. I'll go ahead now and fold it into two like this for me to measure the width of my round armhole out. I'm going to fold it into two again, making into 4 fold. Now this is the open edge, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the folded edge. So I'll go ahead and measure my round armhole circumference on this open edge plus half or 1 inch seam allowance. As this fabric is folded into two, that means my round armhole circumference is times 2 on this open edge. So if you want your own sleeve to bogus than this, you can make your round armhole circumference times 3. Now I'm going to connect from here to here slantly. Just like this. And I'm going to cut it out after connecting it. So I'm going to fold my paper gum stay as well, put my fabric on it and shape it out. Just like this. So after cutting, this is what I have. I'll go ahead and gum my paper gum stay on one side of the fabric. Use the gum side of it, please. Make sure you cut out ½ inch on both sides of the paper gum stay. That will serve as seam allowance. So that is what I'm trying to do now. If you are a beginner, please make sure you measure your ½ inch before cutting it. So I'm done gumming my paper gum stay on one side of the fabric, as you can see. And I gum it on the wrong side of the fabric. So I'm going to fold it like this. Let the center align on each other and stitch from this edge with ½ inch till I reach here. I'm done stitching from here to this edge. I'm going to turn it to the right side. Make sure you turn it carefully because of the interfacing. I mean the paper gum stay. After turning to the right side, I'm going to put this one inside it like this. And make sure the seam is aligned on each other. So the side that has interfacing will be the wrong side of my sleeve, while the side that does not have interfacing will be the right side of my sleeve. So I'm trying to turn it to the right side. Like I said, the one that has interfacing will be the wrong side, while the one that has no interfacing will be the right side of it. So I'll go ahead now and pleat this rough edge till I get my round armhole circumference. But I'm going to notch the center before I start the pleating. So I'm going to start pleating it just like this. I'm going to use pin to hold it. As I'm pleating it, I'll be using pin to hold it. Till I reach the center that I notched. I've reached the center and I'm going to measure what I have there. So what I have here now is half of my round armhole. I'm good to go. So I'm going to continue pleating it till I reach the second edge. And now that I've reached the second edge, I'm going to measure what I have here all around, just to cross check. I'm going to measure it all around. Now it's exactly 17 inches that I'm talking about, which is my round armhole circumference. I'll go ahead now and run a stitch to hold my pleat. I'm done running a stitch, as you can see. So I'll move ahead to my mannequin and show you the finishing look of it. Now guys, this is the finishing look of my sleeve. As you can see, it's very beautiful. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Akorede Adenike. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Akorede Adenike. Please show some love by liking and following my page on Facebook at Akorede Adenike Sewing Tutorial. Till I see you in my next video guys, stay safe, stay blessed, bye bye.